The tools needed for the assemble would be screwdrivers, 5 32nd or a 4 mm Allen key, and then the fixtures that will be provided, fittings to connect the pieces together, will be provided in the packet. We have to identify the sides and the shelves. So the sides, we have labels on the sides that will show you exactly how to align each shelf. So we're going to take the side, we're going to look for the shelf that has the matching label, and we're going to take that. We're going to start with A. So let's turn it on the side, and then take the shelf. Okay. Make sure to line up the letters, and then we're going to put those in, and we're just going to gently fix it in place. So after completion of the first, then we're just going to repeat that same process until for the other sides, until all the pieces are firmly fixed together. After we finish assembling of the sides and the shelves, then we're going to place the unit on its base, so we can now proceed to put the top in place. So we'll just gently lift and place the unit on the base, and then we're going to move to get the top, and then we're going to put the top. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to use a Phillips tip screwdriver to put in the cam screws. So the hole is already drilled and pre-drilled, so we'll just slightly and gently twist it into place until it's tight, and then that's it. Then we will repeat the same process until we complete the installation of the 4 screws that is needed. Cam locks, and we are going to put these locks in place, right? So we're going to, the hole is already created, so we're just going to slide it in place, and we're going to twist using the screwdriver until it's tightly in place. Right? So that's it.
And repeat on all sides.
And yeah, we're going to repeat that same process for all sides. After the unit is assembled, if you would like to hide the hardwares in terms of the holes, you can use the sticker that will be provided to complete.